What is up, guys? This is part 2 of how to program using Windows Host Script and anything else. Sorry, this is from an old video I had. It kind of failed. It kept generating errors saying expected end and whatnot, and for some reason, even though I knew how to fix it, it wasn't fixing itself no matter what. So we'll try it again, and hopefully it works. And now there's some things I forgot to add in the first video that I don't know everything there is to know to man about Windows Host Script, .vbs, or Visual Basic, however you want to refer it to. So don't get into saying, oh, you didn't explain the basics. Well, this is kind of the basics of what I learned. The variable x equals the message box, blah, 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 whatever's in here. And that's what I learned. And then I started learning some other things, and I got into this. Then I got to batch and everything else. But yes, this is how I'm going to teach you guys, and hopefully you guys enjoy my tutoring. If not, I can stop making these videos and go into something else, whatever you want. And so we'll start off again. This is my how-to program. I'm using Notepad since I just went to the right-click edit. Sorry I took up some time explaining some things, but we'll get over that. X equals message box. You should already know this. Then we'll do test because I need to test some things. Don't worry about putting that in. I'll show you guys after I can make sure this works. Actually no, 16 plus 4. I'll tell you guys exactly what that is here in a second. I need to see if it works. If it doesn't, then damn. I'm not going to talk here for a second probably until I finish this test. Yes. Yes. I should have gotten all the bugs out of this before I started the video. My bad. I'm not very organized that way. And if you guys are just copying it off the screen like this, it's fine. I don't care. It's one of the many ways of learning. And we'll save. And it's gonna probably generate an error saying, "Oh, expected end." Oh, yeah. See. And it's going to say line 7, but if you notice, there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines. Now it's saying that it's on line 7. Oh, okay, maybe I had an extra space there. I want to test this. And now it's on 6. I'm just going to leave it at end. It's supposed to be end if, and it's going to say expected if. End if. I'm just going to add another statement at the bottom of this. Now, when you have an end if statement and you click either yes or no or whatever you did and you click OK, it will just go to a new statement like this, and you can do other things with that. But here, I'll get into explaining what this means. What this exactly means is this is the variable for an icon. This is adding an option, yes or no, which is 4. This if x equals 7, then if is a do statement saying x equals 6. The 6 is the yes in the plus 4. And then, once the user input is yes, this message box, when he clicks yes, will appear. On the other hand, if x equals 7, x equaling the 7, then blah blah blah. You know when I said explain it on yes. This will appear when he says no. The end if statement is for when all this code here is done, and you click OK or whatever, it'll end all this, and go on to a new statement or close the program down. Oh my god, my throat's really dry. I need to drink some water. And I'm gonna add this and see if this helps the program. Oh boy, programming. You'll never get it right the first time through. And I forgot the whole entire quote to that, but I guess I'm a little close. Now, the end if isn't working, so, ooh, shit, whoopsies. I'm going to get rid of the end if statement, well, the end if code, and it's going to say, I need an end here, blah, 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 and it's going to be really annoying and repetitive and say it's not working correctly. So I may be able to fix this if I find old ones I used to do back in 2011. But I'm not sure where those went right now. But since this video is being really weird, I'm not going to show you the yes and no statements until until I can fix the bugs. If you guys can fix them, you can tell me. But I'll make a new video on that. Now I'll get into I'll get into the icon variables. 16 is the red X, and it makes the sound if you have a Windows 7 or any other sounds if you have a different Windows operating system. A 48, on the other hand, actually I should go 32. 32 is the question mark indicating the question. That's when you can put a yes or no statement if you're pranking someone or whatever you want. 48, I realize it's going in numerals of 2, so there's probably other icons there are. 48 is the exclamation point indicating a warning. 64 is indicating a informational statement, and it does that. There's other ones too. I'm not sure if 128 even does anything, but hey, we'll try it. It does nothing. It leaves no icon. I know there's one. It goes into the 4000s and I think 28, and it just leaves a box on the title. It's weird. But yeah, that's what the number variables are. So we'll leave it at 16 for now, or you can leave it at nothing, whatever you want. If you're writing your own, that's good. I want you to do that because that's how you learn. So thank you for watching. I'm sorry I took so long trying to fix that bug. I'll get into that in the next video. Stay tuned for more episodes on how to program with Windows Visual Basic, or however you want to refer to it, as I said before. Thanks for coming. Please subscribe, comment, and like this video. Thanks. Bye.